mushrooms. I love feta cheese. I love spinach. Feta and spinach, they really mesmerize me. And if they are put in the mushroom, stuffed in the mushroom, nothing like it. My mouth is watering. Yes, hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today I am making stuffed portobello mushrooms with feta and spinach. You're just going to love it because it's so easy to prepare and it is full of deliciousness. So let's begin with it. And don't forget, I'm also practicing as a dietitian, so if you want my consultation, just go and fill the form which is right below in the description box and I will contact you personally. And one more thing, yes, you must be thinking how many times will she be saying one more thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe because your subscription plays an important role in my life because I get motivated to come out with new recipes. Portobello mushroom stuffed with feta cheese and spinach. I am going to first prepare the stuffing. So simply heat a pan, add butter to it, let the butter melt. I love it. When the butter melts, it looks so cute, See, it has melted. And now I've added a dollop of butter. Yes, you can add because you're on keto, that is you're on low carb. And here I'm adding spinach to it. And spinach is very good for health. It is rich in magnesium, obvious iron even, but magnesium is what we require more during keto. If you have leg cramps or muscle cramps, go for spinach. Have it every day in your diet. Just saute it and within 2 minutes it gets wilted, that is it gets cooked up. That is what we require. Cook till the water dries up. And now I am going to make a dressing. For the dressing I have taken a small bowl in which I have dropped some parsley, some butter and some garlic goes into it. You must be thinking, why am I not adding salt in it? Because feta cheese is full of salt. And basically I don't want to add more salt because spinach also has a quite good quantity of salt, and so I'm not adding any extra salt in it. See, my dressing is done. I've just microwaved it for 30 seconds and it's done. Now these are the portobello mushrooms. I'm removing the stalk of it or remove the stem. And if you can get hold of bigger size, nothing like it. Here I got these smaller version of the portobello mushrooms, but doesn't matter. So now I am placing the hollowed portion of the mushroom facing top, and now I am going to fill it up with the stuffing. I am going to start stuffing the mushroom. So first I am layering the marinara sauce into the mushroom holes. Yes, that is the portobello mushroom. I love this portobello mushrooms. If you can get hold of the bigger one, you can simply enjoy as a burger even. Make a patties, your keto patties, and simply place 2 portobello mushrooms and cook it on both the side and you can enjoy it. And now I am going to fill it up with the spinach mixture. Yes, this is nothing but the melted butter and spinach or the wilted spinach. Just drop a small portion or a good portion of spinach into it. It looks so lovely. Yellow, green or brown, green, brown, red, green. And I'm dropping this in all the mushrooms. In fact, I'm stuffing it with it. I'm trying to stuff as much as I can. But don't go overboard, otherwise it will spill outside only. So just stuff it inside. This dish is super tasty and it looks so cool, And to this I am going to place the feta cheese. Yes, Feta cheese is very good for health. It is good for the gut because it is rich in probiotics, it is rich in calcium, and also it helps in weight management because it has a special type of fatty acid which helps in controlling the weight. See, I've sliced the feta cheese into cubes and I'm placing that inside. I'm stuffing it inside. Just press it a bit. I love feta cheese. You can't even see the spinach, it has gone inside. And now I'm going to dress up the feta cheese with the dressing I had prepared. Yes, you remembered I had microwave parsley dip that you can enjoy as it is with any of your cracker, or you can sprinkle that on your cracker and enjoy, or on your any meal even. So here I'm dropping some parsley garlic butter mix over the feta cheese. Just drop the mixture over the and layer the butter even over the portobello mushroom. It would be better, I should have spooned it, but doesn't matter. It looks ready, but now I'm grilling this. So I'm grilling for 10 minutes. It looks so delicious, super cool. I can have this dish every day, provided somebody cooks for me. Cooking for yourself, it becomes sometimes too tiring. And mostly all my dishes are one recipe wonder. One time only I'm able to cook. Here it's cooked, done. I've just taken out from the oven. Don't be in a hurry because it's quite hot. Doesn't it look delicious? Let it cool for at least 5 minutes and see. Perfectly grilled. A little bit of chariness is also there. Here I'm serving these portobello mushroom stuffed on a bed of spinach. Good way of eating the spinach because whatever the food should be eye appealing and then you can easily enjoy it. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And one more thing, I am practicing as a dietitian, so if you want my consultation, the form is given below. You can fill that form. Thank you.